You've probably heard that you should build an emergency fund to cover any unexpected expenses that may arise. It's recommended that you set aside 3 to 6 months worth of expenses in your emergency fund. Now that can seem daunting or overwhelming if you start calculating exactly how much you should have in that account, especially when it seems like you don't have any money to set aside after you've paid your bills every month. So how do you build an emergency fund on a limited budget? And the answer is to simply start. Whether that means $20 a paycheck, $40, $50, whatever that comfortable number is for you, just begin. Automate your transfer so that you can get in the habit of saving without having to think about it. Keep in mind that this emergency fund should be separate from your regular savings account. And once you start getting comfortable with that monthly amount leaving your account, you can increase your automated savings. Take this time to review your budget and really understand your expenses so that you know how much you should aim to have in your emergency account. Then break that down into smaller goals. Work towards having 1 month worth of expenses in your emergency fund and continue on. You'd be surprised to see how quickly that money can add up. Another tip is to open up your emergency fund savings account at a separate bank than what you usually bank at, so that you're not tempted to start spending this money once you see that balance building up. So that's my tip for this week. What are some of the things that you do to help you save your money? I would love to hear. If you'd like more help with your budget and cash flow management, let's connect using the link below, and stay tuned for more money tips coming your way.